YouTube family. So this is a potpourri doll that you can put in your bathroom, or you could have it in your kitchen. This is a DIY. I took one of the Dollar Tree plastic coffee cup mug things, and what you do is, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It says I ground you or something like that, or grown with love, something about coffee anyway. So what you do is just make holes in the plastic with a tool, and unfortunately it does leave these kind of little markings on them, but you don't see it with the dress of the doll. And then this pops off, and what you do is you put potpourri inside, or you can also take a soap bar, your favorite soap bar, and grind it up with a cheese grinder and add that inside here, and voila, you have a cute little potpourri doll. So this will be another made to order project. I will make one that I have halfway done and put that in my shop, but as far as this style, like this little lovely lady, it is a made to order gingerbread. So I will take a picture of her and add her in my Etsy shop as a made to order item. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think she looks so cute. And her little apron does come off if you wanted to take off the apron. But yeah, I think she's so stinking cute. Thanks for watching.